Why is it important to cover your mouth and nose while sneezing and coughing?
So we can stop spreading germs, diseases and colds.
But is there anything else we can use other than our hands?
Yes, we can dab and sneeze or dab and cough. Children's colds cause more doctor's appointments and are the cause of most missed school days.
I agree, because children gathering in schools is one of the main ways germs circulate in communities. But why?
Children's immune systems are less mature than those of adults, so they're more susceptible to germs. At school, kids are in close contact with each other, and they tend to have germy habits, such as sticking fingers in objects on their mouths. Add all these together, and germs are easily spread.
But what can we do?
Get the flu jab. Every child in our school inhales a nozzle spray, which helps prevent the flu. Wash our hands. When washing our hands, we should always use warm water and soap. We should spend at least 45 seconds washing our hands. Sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star to yourself. Locking our fingers together as well as the palm and the back of our hands.
The most important times to wash our hands are before eating, drinking, after going to the toilet, or touching our mouths, eyes and nose. Always throw away your used tissues. If no, dab and sneeze or dab and cough. Remember, if in doubt, dab and sneeze or dab and cough. Miss Martin taught us a catchy tune.
Hit it, boys!
Who let the germs out? Cheep, 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 cheep. Who let the germs out? Cheep, 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 cheep. Sneeze and dab, sneeze and dab. Sneeze and dab, sneeze and dab. Who let the germs out? Cheep, 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 cheep. Who let the germs out? Cheep, 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 cheep. Sneeze and dab, sneeze and dab. Sneeze and dab, sneeze and dab.